So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are just doing a super quick speed clean with me around the house. I'm pretty much just hitting all the main areas, starting in the kitchen and working my way to the back of the house. And I'm so excited to share with you guys this fun new product that I received. It's a cordless vacuum, which definitely helps me with the limited time that I have to do all the cleaning. As y'all know, I'm a full-time working mom and a wife and a stepmom and all of those things, so my time is very limited. So I'll be sharing more details about that with you in just a minute. So we're going to go ahead and get started in the kitchen and get these dishes done. And let me know, are y'all cleaning with me today or are you just relaxing?
The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I knew one day would come back around. The future is now.
So to finish the kitchen today, I'll be cleaning the floors with this cordless vacuum by Toppin. And I just want to thank Toppin so much for gifting me this amazing product. Seriously, you guys, I've been using it non-stop since I've received it, and it has made my life so much easier, especially with having a busy 1-year-old. Just to do these quick cleanups around the house and not having to deal with a cord getting in the way has been amazing. The LED lights are definitely one of my favorite features for those hard to see areas in your home. And as far as switching out the attachments, it's just as simple as one click of the button. And it's super lightweight, easy to control, and it also has a filtration system that helps to purify the air. And as far as clean out, it's as simple as just one click and you're done. And for all of my viewers, Toppin is giving 15% off if you use the discount code Sarah15. Just go to toppinlife.com and check out all the amazing products that they have, and I'll have all the information down in the description box below for you.
The future is now.
So as I'm cleaning, y'all can probably see why I'm loving the LED lights on this little vacuum, because especially like back in our bedroom, it's like a darker room in the house. We just have a lot of darker furniture, darker paint on the walls. So having those lights really helps me to be able to see a lot more easily, like where I'm cleaning and making sure I'm getting all the dust bunnies and all that good stuff.
Hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. It's been a minute since I found someone who makes me wanna know a thing about love. But oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Tend to keep myself from diving in. I got fed up with the sink or swim. But oh my God, I'm falling hard for you. I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just once.
So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up with some laundry motivation for you guys. I'm just tackling this load of laundry, getting it all folded back here in my bedroom. I've found lately that my favorite place to fold the laundry is back on my bed, just because it's a big clean space for me just to see everything and get it all folded quickly and easily, and it doesn't hurt my back as much too. So y'all leave a comment and let me know where's your favorite place to fold your laundry. And until next time, y'all don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!